Define an inverting amplifier. Explain the circuit and working of an op-amp inverting amplifier. Definition: an inverting amplifier is an operational amplifier, op-amp, configuration in which the input signal is applied to the inverting terminal through an input resistor, and the non-inverting plus terminal is connected to ground. The output signal is amplified and is 180 degrees out of phase with the input signal. Connections: function generator output input resistor re-inverting terminal of op-amp, non-inverting terminal plus ground. Feedback resistor RF between output and inverting terminal. CRO, oscilloscope connected to input and output for waveform observation. Op-amp powered by plus 12 volts or 12 volts supply. Working 1. The input voltage V in is applied to the inverting terminal through resistor in. 2. The non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. 3. Due to the very high gain of the op-amp and negative feedback, the inverting terminal remains at approximately 0 volts, virtual ground. 4. Since the op-amp input current is nearly zero, the current flowing through RIN is equal to the current flowing through the feedback resistor RF. 5. The op-amp adjusts its output voltage so that this condition is maintained. 6. The output voltage is amplified and inverted, meaning it is 180 degrees out of phase with the input. Output waveform. Input is sinusoidal. The output is also a sinusoidal waveform. The output is 180 degrees out of phase with the input signal. When the input is positive, the output becomes negative. When the input is negative, the output becomes positive.